Who's in the bathtub? Well, hello.
Oh,
Yeah, he loves that one. Ooh. All right, you got your stick, huh?
Of course, it goes everywhere with him.
I think
He's got a rock too. Where's the rock?
he's
Can
less,
you show it to us?
He's less obsessed with the rock, and now it's the sticks.
Oh, and do you have your rock right there? Can I see it? Thanks. Yeah. It's cool. What do we do with it? Sometimes we put it in the pelican. Where do you put this rock? Can you put it in his mouth, inside his tummy? Put it in. How do you get it out? You have to dump them out, remember? Dump them out. Woo! There it comes.